Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to change a pinion boot for a Nissan Sentra 2015. We take the tie off. I am using a 12mm socket to take off this nut. So we'll be turning the nut twice. Okay. We can now take off the tie rod from the hub, and then we'll turn the tie rod anti-clockwise. Okay. So while we count down the number of turns that we did, so starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 21. Alright, so that is about 21 turns. We squeeze this out. And take the boot out. So this is the boot that was on the vehicle, but I guess the adjustment was that they put this on top of it. So as a result, whenever you turn, it opens up, and that could allow some dirt to go into the pinion. So now that we've gotten this out, we'll go ahead and then install the new one on it. And so we clean the greasy part and then lubricate it with the new grease. That's a lot of grease, but it's hard to get our hands through it, so we'll just smear as much as we can. Also, if possible, we need to smear the inside of the boot so that when we put it on it, it will just slide through onto the rack. Put the boot on the rack. You can also put the clip to tighten it up against the pinion. We go ahead and put the tie rod back clockwise. So counting from the top, we said it's 21. So we start 20, 21. Okay. So tighten the nut. You go ahead and hook up the tie rod onto the hub, and we'll put our nut and tighten it and put back the ties. Well, this is how to go about changing your pinion boot. And thank you for following me through this process, and I hope it will be helpful for you in the future.